Nice again, back in downtown Vegas, looking for all the tough guys from IP2. Oh, you show up to Vegas, we're gonna beat your ass. Well, where are you? I'm Shu, you're IP2, and yeah, you don't want to mess with me, bro. You end up like a pile of poo. You know what I mean? Lot of construction going on. That dude up there in that crane, I'd say he's making like $72 to $87 an hour with overtime. What you looking at? Doesn't matter if it's a car just driving by, it's funny. I just ripped him a new one. Kiss my ass, Tiffany. You don't need your goddamn crystal. I don't even have a kitchen table. Yop yours. Oh, punk ass bitches. I'm just chilling here in the shade for a second. You know what I mean? We're going to the Horseshoe because I'm Shu. And you know what I mean? I like the horsey horse riding me up the butt. Cowboy hats for life, bitches. Hey, nice ass. Not hers, yours, bro. Call me later. You know what I mean, tough guy? Cornflake nipples. Either way, we can get rude on YouTube. You gotta be careful on TikTok. Like, you just can't say, you know what? I wouldn't fuck your wife with Wheezy's dick. So you get in trouble if you ever do that. Damn, somebody doing something over there. Horseshoe these nuts. Wahlburger burgers suck. Marky Mark, come on, dude. You save veterans, you give them homes. Your burgers are garbage. People waiting in line for garbage. You gotta go to the Smash Burger, the Five Guys, your mama's fucking pork chop thighs, fucking more meat selection on your mom's vagina than damn Arby's. We got the meats for pigs. We're gonna mosey on down to my favorite corner, grab a beer from the CVS over there. We gotta cross like 4 bridges to get to where you want to go because, yeah, man, you can run across the highway. You know, you can run across Flamingo. But, yeah. Up yours, dickhead. A punk-ass bitch driving by acting like he's a construction worker. Who's this? Fucking... I thought that was J-Lo found a new dude. Paranormal, this guy reads your mind. But it's all fixed. You know what I mean? There's people in the audience that are paid. Well, they're part of the crew. So he's going to read minds of people that go to the show every night, but everybody that comes in, up yours, asshole. Fucking driving close to me like that, little bitch ass. I'll smack the exhaust off your motor. Oh, pussy bitch. Ah, shit. Smells like shit around here because underneath this fucking street is a bunch of homeless people. Miles and miles of darkness. Feces, urine, dirty blowjobs. You know what I mean? What's up, Burp Queen? How you doing? Yeah, we're just chilling down. Anybody know the Burp Queen? You guys ever hear the Burp Queen? You old ass. Come on, dude. Dude's trying to act like he's got... Either way, I want to save some of this battery charger. We're up yours, dickhead. Junk. You know what I mean? Who fucking puts anything on their muffler anymore? see you at the next drifter party. Fucking scrub. Look at fucking the Eli Manning Peyton brothers making banks off of Caesars. Oops. I just said where I was staying. Actually, no. I'm not at the Caesars. I'm at this hotel. I'm at Haraz. I'm there. I'm everywhere. I'm in your mom's underwear. You guys ever hear of the Burp Queen? Kimmy Cola? Up yours. Punk ass bitches. Don't know the world record female holder for loudest burp? You guys ever hear of a guy named Wheezy? Oh, pussy ass bitch. It's like Ted and John. Either way, hoes, we're going to be right back. Let's get down in my favorite corner, and then I'm going to get a hold of my dudes. I'm not going to the horseshoe. We're going that way. We're heading down to the old White Castle vent that blows up everybody's dress like Marilyn Monroe back in the day. Oh, I'm not a pervert. I'm going to warn people. G-strings for life, bitches. Yo, I already asked these people. You hear that kid screaming Shoenice? Everybody know. Up yours, dickhead. They suck. Like your mom. Pussy ass bitch gonna drive close to me. Oh, we're gonna get crazy. I'll see you guys.